You searched how to buy shares of Wellchange Holdings Co Ltd, so this short clip walks through the steps. Wellchange Holdings Co Ltd trades on NASDAQ under the ticker WCT and operates in industrial and technology-related activities. This is educational information only, not investment advice. To trade, you need a broker account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you will normally need to verify your identity with an ID document and add funds before you can place a buy order. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker WCT to find the listing. Make sure you select the NASDAQ result for WCT so you open the correct stock page. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart to review recent movements. Confirm the company name, exchange, and ticker to ensure this is the correct stock. To buy, click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until it opens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add more before completing the purchase. Once executed, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the description below for the link to eToro if you want to open an account and follow the steps shown.